Hi everyone, this is Ridha Khan and welcome to Ridha's Kitchen, Zaiqa TV and Asian cooking powered by TV99. Every time I come with you with a really nice tasty recipe that you can make, which is usually very easy, and it's like a South Asian meal. And it's great for students, for bachelorettes, bachelors, for singles, for the elderly, for all people from all ages across the world can make these dishes. Or maybe you just fancy making like a nice Asian meal, why not? So for today I thought I'll mix things up and I'll give you a recipe for filter coffee. So filter coffee, it's very easy, it's so easy, and it's a different take on coffee. We all know an avid coffee lover somewhere, somehow. Our partners, our family members, maybe our roommate or a housemate or a neighbor, someone loves it, so you can treat it. So you can use them and use this recipe and treat them with this different take on coffee. It's called filter coffee, and I'll tell you the ingredients you need. Very simple. 1 cup milk, coffee, 2 teaspoons, sugar, 2 teaspoons, coffee maker. This is the key, the coffee maker. Now, the method is you open the coffee maker and then you add coffee powder and you spread it evenly. So you add the coffee powder, you spread it evenly, and then you close the lid. And when you close the lid, you boil it for 1/4 cup water and you wait for it to boil. And you open the lid, then you add boiled water in the upper portion, and then you press with the mixer, and then you close the lid and you keep for around 30 minutes. You boil the milk and then you add sugar, and I'm sure you're sweet enough so you don't need that much sugar, as sugar isn't the best for us, but to taste. And you take off the lid, you add coffee to the milk, and you mix in the glasses, and then you add the decoration on the top. So it's so simple take on this coffee, and it's called filter coffee. It's like an Asian twist to coffee. So why not treat your friends who might not have had filter coffee before? So as you know, this is Ridha Khan from Ridha's Kitchen, and hopefully you enjoyed and you'll try out this filter coffee and give us your feedback. And before that, I would like to go through the ingredients one more time. So 1 cup milk, coffee 2 teaspoons, sugar 2 teaspoons, and a coffee maker.